High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a condition in which the force of your blood against your artery walls is too high. It is a common condition that affects people of all ages. Although it is often considered a silent killer because it rarely has noticeable symptoms, high blood pressure can lead to serious health problems, such as heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. That's why it's important to keep track of your blood pressure readings and get checked by a doctor on a regular basis. To help keep track of your blood pressure and make sure it stays within a healthy range, you may want to consider taking readings at home with a high-quality BP monitor. Here are a few tips on how to get the most accurate reading possible. Choose the right size cuff. If the cuff is too small or too large for your arm, it will give an inaccurate reading. Check the packaging of the blood pressure monitor to see what size cuff it requires. Most monitors come with standard and large cuff sizes. Positioning. Sit down and rest your arm on a table so that it's at roughly the same level as your heart. Make sure that you're not talking or moving during the reading, as this can affect the accuracy. In order to get an accurate reading, it's important that you position the cuff correctly on your arm. The cuff should be placed about an inch above your elbow and should be snug, but not too tight. If it's too loose, it won't get an accurate reading. If it's too tight, it could cause pain or bruising. Once you've positioned the cuff correctly, rest your arm on a table or other surface so that it's at heart level. This will help ensure that the reading is as accurate as possible. Relax. It's no secret that stress can contribute to high blood pressure, but did you know that it can also affect your ability to get an accurate reading? If you're feeling stressed when you take your reading, chances are it will be higher than it would be if you were relaxed. So, before taking your reading, take a few deep breaths and try to clear your mind. This will help ensure that you get an accurate result. Check your results. Once you've taken your reading, check the machine to make sure that the number is in the normal range, 120/80 or less. If it's not, retake the reading after following the tips above. High blood pressure readings can fluctuate throughout the day, so checking more than once is always a good idea. Keep track of your readings over time so that you can identify any trends or changes. Be sure to share these readings with your doctor so that they can help you manage your blood pressure effectively. Conclusion. Taking accurate blood pressure readings at home is important for managing hypertension and keeping track of your cardiovascular health. By following these simple tips, you can ensure that you're getting an accurate reading every time.